Hello and welcome to our third project of the year, the Exodus Plagues Collage project. These stories are some of the most vivid and colorful tales in the whole of the Hebrew Bible, tales of Yahweh's climactic battle with Pharaoh for the fate of the Hebrews. And so you will be trying to do justice to the poetry and the vivid imagery of the story by changing the story into a collage and to a haiku poem of your own. That process is going to start, as it always does, with reading the text. You'll read a selection that includes a chunk of the plague stories, as well as the climactic battle between Yahweh and Pharaoh at the Red Sea crossing. You'll also have to read your assigned plague story if it is not included with the other selection. Also the Bible's footnotes, and if you need more information, let me again recommend to you Oxford Biblical Studies online as a powerful source. Your first creative pass at your assigned plague story will come in the form of haiku. Haiku is a Japanese form of poetry. It is done in 3 lines and has a total of 17 syllables. 5 syllables in the first line, 7 syllables in the second line, 5 syllables in the last line. Here's a sample haiku where you can count the syllables and see what that's like. Your haiku will become an important piece of your finished project, which is a collage. Collage is an artistic form that combines a variety of layered images and uses them on top of one another to create a new whole. This collage project has a number of important criteria, the ones I want to draw your attention to most importantly. First, your collage will have to feature at least 8 individual cropped elements that all get layered together. And secondly, you'll be submitting your final work as a JPG file to the Google Drive folder for your class. You have each been assigned a random plague story, one of these 10 plagues. You'll see some are longer than others, some are shorter than others, but all of them have interesting details that you can hang your hat on. The most important instruction, of course, is always to reach out to me if you need assistance. Reach out to me sooner rather than later. I'm happy to help you shift your brain into a creative gear to get those neurons firing in the right direction. And as always, have fun seriously.